eggs. They're cheap, they're yummy, and they're packed full of nutrients, and Aussies just can't get enough of them. But one of the best things about them is that you can eat them at any time of the day. And joining us now is cook Sally O'Neill, who's showing us an easy, eggy treat. G'day.
Yes,
How are you? Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
What are we making?
We're making Turkish eggs today. So it's a really delicious kind of winter dish that's super simple to make.
Okay.
And it's basically what I like to call food assembly. So you're just grabbing a few things, mixing it together and laying it all on top of each other.
That's what I like. That sounds good. Let's get started.
Easy.
What do we need to do
great
first?
stuff. So it's basically, we're just going to get some, I'm going to get you to put some yoghurt in a bowl for me, darling, if that's cool. We're going to go for maybe about half a cup, but I'll let you guesstimate. That would be awesome.
Good.
If you could crack me some eggs into these 2 ramekins, because we're going to poach some eggs.
Now, I learned a little tip about cracking eggs. You never do it on the side of a bowl, it's always on a flat surface. Is that right?
So you don't get the shell within the white, which is super important. So I'm just going to chop up some spring onion and some coriander, and we're basically just going to mix that through the yoghurt.
Okay, here's yoghurt.
Wonderful.
Yogurt. What is the correct pronunciation?
I'm English, so I say yogurt. I'm really sorry, that's not right, is it?
Yogurt? Tell me, while I've got you here and you're an expert, see what I did there. Every cafe seems to be able to whip up a perfect poached egg. I have only ever had disasters in that area. What is the secret to poaching?
Me now, because on live TV, I'm bound to do it wrong.
Great.
My tip would be, I know a lot of people like to put vinegar in the water to help
I've heard about that.
To help the white set. My tip would be to actually use lemon juice, because I find that with vinegar, you actually get the flavour of vinegar on your egg, which is not, I personally don't love it. And sometimes you'll go to a cafe and it just tastes of vinegar.
Right.
So I'm just putting some chili flakes in and a bit of paprika and salt and pepper if you like it.
Lovely.
And then we're basically just going to spoon that out, and I'll get the eggs on the go as we...
Now, do you have to do a whirlpool?
You absolutely can. If you're doing more than one egg, it gets a bit disastrous.
Oh, okay.
Because you whirlpool in, you put one egg in, you mix it, and then there's just whites everywhere.
So that's just fast boiling water?
Absolutely. And I've put it in a ramekin so I can get it really close to the water and then just lay the eggs in, which I think is...
I do my poached eggs in the microwave. I just get a coffee cup. I put about an inch of water in, a dash of vinegar, crack the egg in without breaking it, and pop it on for 45 seconds with a plate over the top, and it comes out fine.
Does it?
Yeah.
That sounds a much faster and easier way than doing it in a pan.
Yeah. What I want to know as well, boiling eggs.
Yes.
Because they're really good just having in the fridge, right?
Absolutely.
But they're such a pain to peel.
They are.
What's the best way to peel an egg?
I always say that if you actually do it normally under running water, which we don't currently have, but like if you cool them, the better, so the older the egg, the better they are for boiled eggs. Right. So they're easier to peel. If you've ever like boiled an egg and you just find that you can't peel it and it all sticks to the shell and it all gets super messy, it's because the egg's super fresh.
Right.
So poaching eggs, it's best to use fresh eggs for poached eggs.
Yep.
Right.
And older eggs.
Say you weren't jinxed. That looks amazing.
That's pretty good.
And
why are you putting it on paper?
I'll just like to drain the liquid off.
Okay.
And then I'm going to stick it on top of here, and we're just going to get some fresh coriander.
Yum.
Okay.
While you're spooning that on, I saw this on the internet, so I've tried it once before and I had a fail because it wasn't cooked properly. But this is a boiled egg, and what you do is you tap the bottom, peel the bottom off, and then see if it works this time. And then you tap the other bottom, the other end. Yeah. It's supposed to peel it quite quick, but you know, who knows. And then you blow.
What?
Has anyone seen this?
No.
I've not seen this. I'm so impressed.
It's supposed to...
That's fantastic.
It's supposed to pop out,
And then you serve it to your guest.
After you've had your mouth
I've got another trick for you. At the service station now,
Yeah.
you can buy, in a little plastic container, 2 hard-boiled eggs already peeled, sitting on some spinach leaves.
How great.
Oh,
really cool.
at the servo?
As a snack,
Oh,
yes.
my gosh.
They're great. So I often on a Sunday, I'll just boil up a heap of eggs and stick them in the fridge, ready to go,
Yum.
just like this. And then they're like nature's real protein balls.
Yeah.
They are.
Like 7 or 8 grams of protein per egg. Really good nutrition, good source of vitamin D.
How many calories?
about 70 calories per egg, so you can
good.
afford 2 or 3 per meal, like if as in a nice
Once upon a
meal.
time, people said it took more calories to digest an egg than were actually in it. Is that a load of old codswallop?
Absolute rubbish.
Okay.
Yeah.
It was a good theory while it lasted.
Yeah,
This looks
true.
absolutely amazing.
So I've just drizzled some
Turkish
olive oil on
eggs.
there, and then serve it with toasted sourdough. Just super quick and easy.
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
Nourishing for winter.
Sally O'Neill, thank you so much for that. You can head to australianeggs.org.au for more details and for more fabulous recipes. Thanks so much for swinging on by.
Thank you.